everyone, and welcome to my channel. It's me, your friend Sonal, and today I'm working on a new painting with pastel colors. So pastel colors were quite handy and you all will find it easy to work with. So guys, I decided to give this painting a little twist, which is I'll be making the scenery without using the colors white and black. So it wasn't hard to work without them. But since these two are considered as the basic colors for painting, so I left those two colors and I'm working on this painting without them, and you'll see how. Anyways, pastel colors can work just like watercolors if used like them. Like they dry out too, like my pastel colors would dry out, I know, or what. Like if they don't usually do that, I've kept it for a long time too, so that may be the reason why. But you can use it as watercolors with, like, instead of watercolors, because they work just like them, as you can see in the scenery. So I hope that you'll enjoy watching this video and you'll learn something from it. So make sure to try it out if you find it easy to work with. Thank you. much it for today's video, and I hope that you all enjoyed watching. And if you all did, then please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Make sure to put the notification bell on so that you won't miss any updates from my YouTube channel. And give this video a big thumbs up. And make sure to leave comments in the comment box down below. I really love to read your comments. And please be waiting until the next paint comes out. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.